Ate Pam and I have a story for you. Our story is entitled Winnie the Pooh and His Friends, a Real Fishy Story. So, let's start! One bright morning, Winnie the Pooh said to Piglet, "I think I shall go fishing." "But you never catch any fish," Piglet pointed out. "Well, why don't you come with me?" Pooh suggested. "Maybe you'll bring me good luck." "I don't know if I can bring you luck," Piglet answered. "But I would like to go swimming." So, Pooh and Piglet walked to the river. They settled down comfortably against a tree. Pooh cast his line into the river. Piglet, though, didn't want to catch a fish. He wanted to go swimming. Soon, Pooh felt a hard jerk on his fishing pole. "I've caught a big one!" he shouted. "Piglet, look!" Pooh turned to his friend, but Piglet wasn't there. Piglet had gone swimming, and Pooh caught him. "But Piglet," Pooh complained, "I wanted to catch a fish." "You have caught a fish, Pooh," said Piglet. "I've brought you good luck after all." And that's the end of our story. Hope you like it. See you soon. Bye!